Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off your antivirus on your Windows. So for doing this you just need to go here. Here you need to choose your antivirus system. So in my example it will be Avast, so just right click on it, and here from this list you need to find control. Avast Shield control, and here you will find disable for 10 minutes, disable for 1 hour, disable until computer is restarted, disable permanently. So disable permanently, it will be disable for all time until you will get in this menu again and just activate it. So for example, disable for 10 minutes, and now you just need to choose are you sure you want to stop all shells. All attempts has been made to turn off a key Avast module. This may be a legitimate action, but could also be the result of the malware attack. So just choose OK stop, and now it stop your antivirus. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.